Hi, Vladimir Donis here. Would you like me to help you to create a marketing and a sales funnel that is designed to go ahead and get you leads and make you sales on autopilot and help you to design that marketing funnel using what I call the micro commitment framework? You probably already know that having a marketing funnel slash a sales funnel can be a very powerful thing for your business. You probably already know that you can use it as an asset to attract the right people to you. You probably know that you can use it from a conversion standpoint to go ahead and convert leads. You probably know that you can use it as a automation process to basically automate the sales process and the conversion process as well. But the issue is, beginning with, okay, what type of marketing funnel should I be using? From a sequence standpoint, what's the proper sequence? What's the proper steps in the marketing process? What does the marketing funnel need to include in order to speak to and to engage with the right type of individual? How do I create a live marketing funnel? How do I create an evergreen marketing funnel? And how do I create a marketing funnel that's going to stand the test of time? So I am hosting a 2-day workshop. And the reason why the workshop is 2 days is because one of the days we'll focus on content, and then the other day we'll focus on question and answer. And the goal of that workshop is for me to walk you through my micro commitment framework. It's a framework that I use to design sales slash marketing funnels that's going to help you to grow your business. I remember back in 2015, I had launched a dating slash a dancing type of a website. I was working at that time as an executive. And one of the things that I wanted to do is I said to myself that I don't see myself remaining in the role that I'm in, indefinitely. And for that reason, I said, you know what? Why don't I go into business? And at that time, I said, you know what? There's a lot of different businesses that I can go into. And I wanted to go into a business that's evergreen and a business that's going to be around for a very long time. And the business model that made sense to me at that time was the dating industry. So I said to myself, dating is going to be around for a very long time. So I decided to pay a programmer close to $30,000 to build me a dating slash a dancing type of a website. So a year and a half from the time that I launched this dating slash this dancing type of a website, I was ready to go, paid this guy close to $30,000. And when I launched the site, it was crickets. Not only was it crickets, I really didn't really have an idea as to how I'm going to properly market this thing from a marketing standpoint. And then several months into me trying to, learn how to market, learn how to make this whole thing work from a marketing funnel standpoint, I stumbled upon, I want to say 2016 or so, I stumbled upon what I now call the micro commitment strategy. When I stumbled upon that micro commitment strategy, I finally started to get some traction for that dating site from a conversion standpoint. I finally had a marketing process that was designed to attract and to convert new people to that dating site. And unfortunately, I later learned that I was in violation of copyright laws, and I had to let go of that dating site to avoid legal ramifications. And when that happened, I was like, okay, that is not good, because by that time I had spent close to, I don't know, maybe $60,000 or $80,000 based on promotion, based on marketing, and based on so many different things. And all of a sudden, to remain compliant and to remain being sued and to avoid being sued, I lost the entire business. And when I lost that entire business, I went back to the thing that I had learned in the past 7-8 months from that time. And what I had learned is I had learned a strategy that I now call the micro commitment strategy. It's the micro commitment strategy that I then use to pivot from, hey, I no longer have a dating site. What am I going to do next? And what I decided to do next is to use that same strategy to start hosting workshops. So I want to say back in late 2016, 2017, I started hosting workshops in my local area. And I started hosting those workshops for 2 reasons. Reason number 1, I needed to validate some content. I needed to validate the concept. And I needed to validate lead generation, marketing, Facebook ads, etc. And I used that micro commitment strategy to validate that concept. And I remember hosting workshops from 2017, I want to say till about 2019, I hosted, these different workshops just to validate content, just to validate concept. And in the marketing process that I use, again, is the marketing process that I now call the micro commitment strategy. And when I stopped doing workshops, right, I went to start doing a different methodology of attracting clients. I started using a different process to be able to gain traction online, not only gain traction, but to be able to have a framework from a marketing standpoint. And guess what framework I turned to when I could no longer do workshops? I turned to that same exact framework, which is the micro commitment framework. So that is the framework that I've been using since 2015 to be able to power my entire marketing process. And what I want to be able to do via this 2-day workshop is I want to be able to share that framework with you and to share with you how you can use that exact same framework for your business, how you can use it to attract people to your business, and how you can use it from a foundational marketing standpoint, and how you can use it regardless of what you're doing from a marketing standpoint, right? So I'll show you all of the elements. I'll show you some of the things that you should do and some of the things that you shouldn't do. I'll walk you through all of the mistakes that I've made so that way you can avoid those similar mistakes. This content and this information that I'm going to be sharing with you, I've spent thousands of dollars in order to learn it and in order to just get better at it over time. And you can probably spend that exact same amount as well. You can spend thousands of dollars for this type of content, or you can take me up on my offer. And right now I am offering you that information, that workshop, at a discount. If you are on this page and you're watching this video, there's going to be a link somewhere around this page. You can simply click on that link, and that link is going to allow you the ability to take advantage of that discount. Again, if you're on this page and you're watching this video, it means that the discount is currently available, and it's available for a limited amount of time. So I would encourage you, if you're watching this video and you see this content, click on the link below, and that link is going to allow you to take advantage of this discount. Again, it's the micro commitment framework that I use and that I have been using since 2015 to build, marketing funnels and sales funnels for, various businesses. I've helped clients with this methodology, and I'm ready to help you understand and use this micro commitment framework to be able to build yourself a marketing / a sales funnel. Click on the link below, click on the link somewhere around this video, take advantage of it, and I'll see you on the inside.